In a moment that captured the nation's heart, a resilient immigrant received the news he had been waiting years to hear. The genuine, unscripted video skyrocketed across social media, symbolizing the enduring power of the American dream. His wife's joyful announcement that he was finally a citizen capped a grueling, multi-year journey of legal processes.
Check the text message I sent you.
No way. Oh.
This wasn't about shortcuts. It was about steadfast commitment, extensive paperwork, interviews, and strict compliance with U.S. immigration rules. The video's authenticity propelled it to viral fame. Initially shared by Right Angle News, it was boosted by ex-influencer Mario Nawfal. His post alone earned thousands of likes and hundreds of thousands of views. Soon, other influencers like Graham Allen reposted it, praising the man's dedication. But what are we really seeing in those tears? Delving deeper, the journey to citizenship often begins with a visa application, followed by permanent residency, and culminates in naturalization, a process that can span 5 to 10 years or more. It requires proving good moral character, passing civics and English tests, and demonstrating commitment to American principles. For this man, it wasn't just about paperwork. It was about building a life from scratch and contributing to society. As the video spread, it sparked a wave of positivity online, with comment sections filling with messages like "Welcome to America." It became a powerful counterpoint to divisive narratives, highlighting the rewards of legal immigration.
Hey, shout out to him, man. This is exactly how it's supposed to be done. Welcome to America, brother. It's great here.
Our head attorney, Chris M. Ingram, provides his analysis of why these moments are so significant. He states, "This citizenship achievement underscores the value of adhering to legal processes, which, while demanding, ensure fairness and integration. Such successes highlight the importance of accessible pathways for qualified applicants." This man's tears are proof that every form filled, every setback overcome, is a step closer to that transformative moment. For every person facing delays or denials, let this story fuel your resolve. Perseverance is the bridge between aspiration and achievement. Keep going. The joy awaits. The journey to U.S. citizenship is long, but you don't have to walk it alone. Our firm provides expert guidance for families, founders, and professionals. Visit breakthroughusa.com for your free consultation.